Brian says, is the 10 EMA all that you use now? No VWAP? I've really never used the VWAP, Brian. And trust me, man, I'm a huge Brian Shannon fan, the anchored VWAP. I love Jake with Trend Spider. He's a big VWAP fan. I get it. I love VWAP. It's super cool. Also, it's pronounced VWAP. If anyone says WAP, they're just wrong. And it's okay. It's volume weighted average price, not average price. So, I mean, you're saying VWAP. Average price. Anyway, that's just a semantics thing. So the VWAP, I know where it's going to be. It's the average price of everything traded. So on Tesla, it's going to look like this. It's going to be in the middle of, I'm not saying it's a bad instrument, but it's going to be doing this right here. All right, let me turn it on. Let's see how close I got. Oh, that's the volume profile. Sorry. That's not the VWAP. Do I even have VWAP anymore on my indicators? I do somewhere. VWAP. There we go. And there it is. Look at my drawing. I mean, you already know where it is. And here's the thing. If you don't use it, that doesn't matter anyway. Right? A better entry, because again, I like the VWAP. I understand it a lot. If I use the VWAP, what you have to do is when this candle gets taken out in purple, with this candle here in red, the trade that you must do, if you have VWAP on the screen, otherwise take it off your screen, is you short at that average price with a stop somewhere over here. If you do not do that trade and you have VWAP on your screen, you shouldn't have it on your screen because that's the point of it. It's a magnet for resistance and for support, but you're still going to use the candles. And that's why I personally believe that you should just have a thing that is that you do. If you only have the VWAP, let's just go look at yesterday. And we can back trade the VWAP. Why not? Okay. So yesterday, failure, rejection, short off the VWAP. So here's the close. Here's the close above it. Here's the close back below it. So you got a short here, stop above there. Now you might go, oh, that was the VWAP strategy. That's whatever strategy you want to call it. But if you don't do it, it doesn't matter anyway. And then VWAP is essentially an irrelevant indicator until here. And that is really just, if you're getting in there, is just the prior low of the day anyway. So now Brian Shannon uses anchored VWAP, and there's a lot of people do, which on a bigger time frame can be pretty useful. And I think that is kind of cool. I guess the answer is I don't really love it. So yes, Brian, this year I told everyone in real life trading that I'm gonna focus on one strategy, and that strategy is the 10 EMA. In 2023, I believe what I'm gonna be focusing on. You guys ready for this? This might be leaked information, but I hope you're ready. I think next year I'm going to focus on double tops and double bottoms. That's it. I think that's what I'm going to do on all time frames. If it's not a double bottom, your boy's not in. If it's not a double top, I'm not getting the trade. But if it is a double top, I'm shorting it with all my might. And if it's a double bottom, I'm in like Flynn. And they happen a lot. Dustin says, would you still use the 10 EMA? Nope. I'm just going to have support. I'm just going to have lines. I'm just going to be neck lining it up. Shorting there, buying there, shorting there, buying there, shorting there. Yep. I mean, I'll still use bull candles and stuff, but anyway.